Greetings. This is our team, AI Terminators, from GD Goenka Public School, Sarkarhat, Delhi, India, where environment meets success.
Eco Audit. Our app is an app that analyzes, tracks, and provides you with data track tools for data tracking, impact assessment, and actionable eco-friendly insights. This is our team at Eco Audit. Our coder and developer is Atish. Our idea catalyst and tester is me, Adil, and our designer and marketing expert is Akshay.
The advantages of Eco Audit. The user profiles efficiently analyze, sort, and store data for easy access. The AI-driven insights predict future consumption patterns, while global monitoring maintains a ranking system to promote environmental responsibility.
The help that Eco Audit provides to the environment. Eco Audit provides several key benefits. It monitors environmental impact by tracking and analyzing data to assess ecological footprints and identifies areas for improvement. It also helps in raising awareness using data visualization to educate users on environmental challenges.
How AI is enhanced in our app. AI enhances Eco Audit by data analysis, predictive modeling, user interaction, automation, visualization, custom recommendations, and our chatbot.
Is a bit more on our chatbot, which we have lovingly called Infobot. Infobot is a user-friendly AI that offers accurate information and assists with queries, data analysis, and tools interaction. It is integrated with the Eco Audit app, meaning you can ask anything about the app from our chatbot.
How to become an environmental champion. This system encourages competition for sustainable actions by avoiding points. By visiting the Global Monitor, the users can view a worldwide ranking in the table of users, fostering a sense of competition and motivation for a sustainable behavior.
Here is the Eco Audit link to visit our app. Here are steps you can see if you are facing any issues. So now let's go to our app. Here is the first thing you will see on our app. You will go down to the user profile and create an account. Let's name our account XYZ. And email address will be ecoaudit@gmail.com. Security code. Let's put it as 12345. Now, users can enter their location type, climate zone, household composition, and household type. Now, let's go down and let's make our data visibility as public. Any user who wants to put their energy features can. But right now, let's create an account. We have created an account and you can see the details. Now let's go to utility usage tracker. Here you can track your utility of water, gas or electricity. Here let's enter our water usage as 234. There is only one person in our household. Electricity as 23 and gas as 17. Now we'll assess usage. We can see our assessment and which is analyzed highly by AI. It gives an average score. Here we have got 5 score. Now we can go up and do save to database. You can only do it 2 times to get points. So let's do it again. Now you can do save to history as many times as you want to save for future references. So now next, we'll go to material recycling guide. Here, you can enter any non-biodegradable waste. For example, we search styrofoam. Now we will get an AI-powered analysis. Here, it will give scores of the system will score, environmental impact, and recyclability. It will material category. It will update the database. It will give reuse recommendations and recycling instructions. Here, you can get AI generated analysis and some reports. Here, you can even by going down, you can share your results. Now, we'll go to AI Insights dashboard. Here, you will see all your data and it will analyze and tell you an overview on how you can improve. Now, we'll go to My History. Here, you can see all your enter values for the utility and also the material recycling value. Here, you can see graphs to understand your tracking better. Now, we go to Global Monitor. And see, we can see all the users and all the points and how they're ranking. We can even analyze their data by going and searching by a username. Here you can see all the average information. Here you can see the classes divided. A to be the best and C who are not doing much for the environment. The class NA is for the ones who are not yet entered the utility or material recycling round. Now, for one more thing, by going at the bottom of the navigation, if anyone wants, if we are updating the app, we can reset it by only this. We'll enter a security code, and we have two options: to reset all the data and all the users, or only the points and ranking reset. Let's not do that for now. Now let's go up and let's see our chatbot Infobot.
This is our Infobot or the user interface for now. We can search any sustainability related queries in this Infobot.
Or queries related to our app. For example, if we search what is eco-audit, our app,
Our Infobot will give you an AI powered analysis for what the question is. We can ask it to detail it or just tell you what it is genuinely. Here we ask our second question as what are carbon footprints, something related to sustainability. Here we ask our question, what are carbon footprints? Our Infobot will precisely answer what they are. Here are some miscellaneous links and passwords, only to be used by the judges and no one else.
this is the reset code for our app, and this is the link to access our Python files or the other files.
To contact us, you can use our email ecoauditforyou@gmail.com or our phone number 9821 474 977.
These are the outcomes of our app: the environmental impact reports, the actionable insights, the global monitoring data, the user analytics, and the decrease in cost.
Using AI properly and to good use is one of our last hopes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Team AI Terminators signing off.